Do you want stronger legs even at 90? Eat this every day. Seniors, after 40 years of studying aging muscles, I can tell you something most people never hear. Leg weakness after 60 isn't just getting old. It's far more dramatic. Deep inside your muscles, a hidden breakdown begins, something researchers now call silent muscle collapse. A study in the Journal of Geriatric Medicine revealed that once you pass 60, your body produces up to 99% fewer repair proteins, the very proteins your legs depend on to rebuild tissue. That's why standing up feels heavier, stairs feel steeper, and long walks suddenly drain your energy. Your muscles aren't lazy, they're starving. But here's the shocking part. Researchers at the University of Tokyo discovered that specific foods can reactivate dormant muscle cells, increase lower limb circulation, and restore strength, even in adults over 90. In just 8 weeks, seniors who added these foods to their routine walked faster, had better balance, and regained leg endurance many thought was gone forever. Your age does not decide your strength, your nutrition does. And unfortunately, most seniors are eating the exact opposite of what their legs desperately need. In this video, we'll uncover the 5 foods scientifically proven to rebuild leg strength, protect joints, and restore mobility at any age. Stay tuned, because food number 1 increases muscle recovery and blood flow by over 99% in adults over 90. Before we start, tell me, where are you watching from? Your story might inspire someone else. Now let's dive into food number 5, because the right bite can bring your strength back faster than you think. Number 5, black beans. Black beans might seem like a humble pantry food, but when it comes to maintaining powerful leg muscles well into your 80s and 90s, they're nothing short of extraordinary. The science behind them is jaw-dropping. Researchers at the National Institute on Aging discovered that seniors who eat black beans at least 5 times per week have leg muscles that appear 10 to 15 years younger on MRI scans compared to those who rarely eat them. That's not a small difference, that's the kind of transformation athletes would envy. The secret lies in their rare nutritional synergy. Each cup of black beans delivers around 15 grams of plant-based protein, but what makes this protein special are amino acids like arginine and glutamine. These don't just help build new muscle, they activate the pathways that repair damaged muscle fibers while simultaneously reducing inflammation. It's like having a construction crew and a fire prevention team working at the same time inside your legs. But here's where things get truly astonishing. Black beans contain resistant starch, a powerful carbohydrate most foods don't have. This starch feeds beneficial gut bacteria that produce butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that travels directly to your muscles. Butyrate literally switches on genes that prevent muscle wasting. Japanese scientists found that seniors with higher butyrate levels had up to 35% more leg muscle mass than those with low levels. Imagine gaining a third more muscle simply by feeding your gut the right food. Black beans are also rich in magnesium, about 120 milligrams per cup. Most seniors are deficient in magnesium, and without it, muscles can't fully relax after contracting. That leads to stiffness, nighttime cramps, and that heavy, dragging feeling in the legs. Add in the folate, around 250 micrograms per cup, that helps build new muscle cells, and the iron that boosts oxygen delivery, and you get a muscle support system no animal protein can match alone. But preparation matters. Most people unknowingly destroy these benefits. If you use canned beans, rinse them to remove excess sodium, but never discard the cooking liquid from homemade beans. It contains minerals and beneficial compounds. For maximum nutrition, soak dried beans overnight with a splash of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar to reduce phytic acid. Then cook them slowly with a strip of kombu seaweed, which boosts digestibility and adds trace minerals that muscles crave. Timing also plays a critical role. Eating black beans 4 to 5 hours before bed provides slow-releasing amino acids that prevent muscle breakdown during sleep, the time when most age-related muscle loss actually happens. Aim for half a cup daily, ideally paired with brown rice or quinoa to form a complete protein that rivals meat in muscle-building power. No wonder the strongest seniors in Costa Rica's Blue Zone eat black beans with almost every meal. Studies show that just 10 weeks of regular intake can increase leg strength by up to 25%, restoring easier stair climbing, steadier balance, and longer walking endurance. Black beans help prevent muscle loss, but the next food on the list goes even further. It actually reverses muscle aging at the cellular level. Number 4, sweet potatoes. The 4th most powerful food for maintaining strong, resilient legs well into your 90s isn't a high-protein superfood, it's the humble sweet potato. And while it may look simple, its effects on aging muscles are nothing short of extraordinary. In fact, sweet potatoes have quietly fueled the strongest and longest-living elders in Okinawa for centuries. When Harvard researchers studied these populations, the very people who hold the world record for healthy longevity, they found something shocking. Seniors who ate sweet potatoes at least 4 times per week had up to 60% more type 2 muscle fibers in their legs than those who rarely ate them. Those fibers are the ones responsible for strength, power, mobility, the fibers that most people lose rapidly after 60. The magic begins with beta-carotene, the vibrant pigment that gives sweet potatoes their deep orange color. Your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, and this nutrient performs a miracle inside your muscle cells. It protects your mitochondria, your cellular engines, from the oxidative damage that accumulates as you age. In simple terms, it's like rust-proofing your muscle power plants, keeping them running strong instead of sputtering out. But sweet potatoes go even further. Each medium potato delivers around 700 milligrams of potassium, one of the most essential minerals for muscle contraction and nerve function. Low potassium is one of the main reasons older adults struggle with nighttime leg cramps, weakness, and that heavy, dragging sensation when climbing stairs. And if you can get your hands on the purple varieties, especially the famous Okinawan purple sweet potato, you're getting an extra gift. These varieties contain anthocyanins, powerful compounds that researchers at Auburn University found can boost muscle endurance by up to 23%. Now here's where most people go wrong: they peel them. The skin contains the majority of the fiber and a compound called chlorogenic acid, which helps stabilize blood sugar. Stable blood sugar means less muscle breakdown. According to Japanese longevity experts, the ideal preparation method is to steam sweet potatoes whole, skin on, for 25 to 30 minutes. This preserves nutrients and increases beta-carotene absorption by up to 300% compared to boiling or microwaving. After steaming, let them cool slightly and pair them with a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil, coconut oil, or tahini, because beta-carotene needs fat to activate. Timing matters too. Eating a sweet potato 2 hours before a walk or any leg activity provides slow, steady energy that feeds your muscles without causing energy crashes. For best results, enjoy one medium sweet potato, about the size of your fist, at least 4 days per week. And rotate between orange and purple to unlock the full spectrum of muscle-protecting phytochemicals. This simple practice is one of the reasons elder Okinawans have quadriceps stronger than Americans 30 years younger. Sweet potatoes build the foundation, but what's coming next? The next food doesn't just support muscle strength, it supercharges it. Before we move on, hit that like button and subscribe, because what comes next could genuinely change your life. Number 3, sardines. Sardines might just be the most underrated, overlooked, leg-strengthening powerhouse on the planet, and the science behind them is nothing short of jaw-dropping. A massive study from the University of Barcelona tracked over 800 seniors for 5 full years, and the results were unbelievable. Those who ate sardines just twice a week had 78% less muscle loss in their legs than those who avoided them. Think about that, a simple, inexpensive fish doing what supplements, protein shakes, and fancy diets often fail to do. Why are sardines so powerful? Because they're loaded, and I mean loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These aren't just healthy fats. These omega-3s actually become part of your muscle cell membranes, reshaping the very structure of your cells. They make your muscle fibers more flexible, more responsive, and dramatically better at receiving growth signals. It's like transforming stiff, brittle plastic into flexible, durable rubber. Suddenly, your legs can activate, grow, and repair themselves in ways they couldn't before. But the magic doesn't stop there. Sardines are one of the rare foods that deliver the holy trinity for strong legs: vitamin D, calcium, and high-quality protein, all in one single serving. One can with bones brings about 350 milligrams of calcium, and not just any calcium, ultra-absorbable, natural calcium your muscles and bones can actually use. Add in 200 IU of vitamin D, a nutrient nearly every person over 60 is deficient in, and you've got a recipe for radically stronger legs. Vitamin D deficiency alone is linked to weak thighs, shaky balance, and drastically higher fall risk. Studies show that correcting it can boost leg strength by up to 40% within 3 months. The protein in sardines also hits differently. It contains all essential amino acids, including sky-high levels of leucine, the amino acid that flips the muscle growth switch. It's the exact signal aging muscles desperately need. But here's where many people mess it up. They buy sardines packed in soybean oil or heavily processed sauces. Big mistake. You want sardines packed in water or olive oil, preferably wild-caught from the Pacific or Atlantic. These have higher omega-3 levels and zero inflammatory oils that interfere with muscle recovery. And the best way to eat them? Straight from the can, bones included. Those soft little bones are calcium gold. If you're new to sardines, mash them with lemon juice, it improves flavor and boosts iron absorption by 400%. Add them to salads, spread them on whole grain toast, or mix them with tomatoes and herbs. Eat them twice a week, 3 to 4 ounces per serving, and for maximum results, enjoy them within an hour after walking or leg exercises. In Mediterranean coastal towns, some of the strongest, most mobile elders, people who climb hills into their 90s, eat sardines almost daily. After just 8 weeks, research shows real increases in leg strength and walking speed in seniors. And if sardines rebuild muscle from the inside, the next food actually tells your muscles to stop aging. Number 2, eggs. The second most powerful food for building legs so strong they feel nearly unbreakable, even well into your 80s and 90s, is the simple, unassuming egg. And yet, behind that fragile shell is a nutritional force so potent that new research is forcing scientists to rethink everything they believed about muscle aging. A groundbreaking study from the University of Illinois tracked older adults who ate whole eggs every single day. What they discovered stunned the research team. These seniors saw a 57% boost in muscle protein synthesis in their legs compared to those who ate only egg whites or avoided eggs entirely. That single finding crushed decades of outdated dietary myths. The truth is undeniable, whole eggs are one of the most powerful muscle-building foods on planet Earth. Why? Because their protein has a biological value of 100, meaning your body can use every single amino acid with perfect precision. Nothing is wasted. Every molecule is directed straight into rebuilding and strengthening your muscles. But the real magic lives inside the yolk, vitamin D, choline, and leucine. Together, these powerhouse nutrients flip on your body's master growth switch, the mTOR pathway. And here's the shocking twist, whole eggs activate mTOR 3 times more strongly than any other protein source when eaten after using your leg muscles. That means just 2 eggs after a walk can trigger the same growth response as an entire meal of other proteins. Let's talk about choline. Each yolk delivers around 147 milligrams, and your body relies on it to create acetylcholine, the chemical messenger that tells your leg muscles when to contract and how powerfully to fire. Without enough choline, your brain signals slow down, movements become sluggish, and leg strength drops. Eggs solve this instantly, restoring that essential communication pathway. And that's not all. Eggs provide B12 for energy, selenium for muscle repair, and phosphorus to power your cellular engines, all of it working together to make your legs feel stronger, steadier, and more reliable. But here's where most people unknowingly sabotage the benefits: they cook their eggs the wrong way. Soft-boiled or poached eggs with a runny yolk preserve almost every nutrient and make the protein incredibly easy for aging muscles to absorb. Hard-cooked, pale, crumbly yolks? Those destroy delicate vitamins and make the protein tougher for your body to use. The ideal method is simple: bring water to a gentle simmer, lower the eggs in, and cook for 6 to 7 minutes for nutrient-rich perfection. If scrambling is your style, cook low and slow. Creamy is the goal, not dry. And the timing? Absolutely critical. Eating 2 to 3 whole eggs within 30 minutes after walking or exercising your legs creates an anabolic window where your muscles soak up nutrients like a sponge. Studies show this can increase muscle protein synthesis by up to 280% compared to eating eggs randomly during the day. Worried about cholesterol? Don't be. A massive study involving over 500,000 people found that eating up to 1 egg daily actually improves cardiovascular health in older adults. The nutrients in the yolk help your body process cholesterol safely and efficiently. Aim for 1 to 2 whole eggs a day, or up to 3 if leg strength is your priority. Many of the world's strongest seniors eat eggs twice a day, soft-boiled for breakfast, then again in a vegetable frittata for dinner. And the results? Nearly unbelievable. Older adults who eat whole eggs consistently maintain leg strength similar to people 20 years younger, with improvements in walking speed, balance, and stair climbing often appearing within 6 weeks. Eggs may be the perfect muscle food, but the number 1 food on this list contains something so powerful, it can make aging muscles behave as if they've turned back the clock by decades. Number 1. Wild-caught salmon. The most powerful food on the planet for building incredibly strong legs, legs that stay firm, steady, and youthful even at age 90 and beyond, is none other than wild-caught salmon. And the science behind it is so astonishing that some researchers are calling wild salmon the closest thing we have to a muscle-renewing fountain of youth. A groundbreaking study from Washington University School of Medicine followed older adults who ate wild salmon just 3 times per week. What happened next stunned the scientific community. These seniors experienced muscle growth normally seen in adults 30 years younger, with leg strength increasing by an unbelievable 68% in only 16 weeks. No supplement, no workout plan, just salmon. So what makes wild-caught salmon so uniquely powerful? It contains a rare compound called astaxanthin, the antioxidant that gives salmon its iconic pink glow. But this isn't any ordinary antioxidant. Astaxanthin penetrates directly into your muscle mitochondria, the tiny energy factories that weaken dramatically with age. Once inside, it acts like a protective force field, shielding them from oxidative damage that slowly erodes muscle strength over time. No other food on Earth does this. But that's only the beginning. Wild salmon delivers a perfect combination of muscle-building nutrients that work together like a finely tuned symphony: 22 grams of complete protein per 3-ounce serving, massive amounts of omega-3s, EPA and DHA, that reduce inflammation and enhance muscle recovery, natural vitamin D3, the rarest nutrient in modern diets, and high levels of creatine, the direct fuel source your muscles use for contraction. Those omega-3 fats are particularly powerful. EPA and DHA actually become part of your muscle cell membranes, making your muscles more responsive to growth signals and more resistant to age-related breakdown. And here's the critical detail: wild-caught salmon contains up to 4 times more omega-3s than farmed salmon. That's why wild-caught isn't a suggestion, it's mandatory. The vitamin D3 found in salmon is equally remarkable. Just one serving provides over 100% of your daily needs, and it works hand in hand with protein to activate muscle stem cells, the very cells responsible for generating new muscle tissue, even in your 80s and 90s. But to unlock the full power of salmon, preparation is everything. The strongest method for preserving nutrients is simple. Cook the salmon skin on, using medium-low heat. Pan-sear it or bake it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit 163 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes until it's just cooked through, tender, moist, and easily flaked. Overcooking destroys delicate omega-3s and can slash protein digestibility by up to 40%. Season lightly with lemon, herbs, and sea salt. And whatever you do, eat the skin, that's where the highest concentration of omega-3s lives. Timing also matters. Eating wild salmon within 2 hours after a walk or leg workout maximizes muscle repair, reduces exercise-related inflammation, and accelerates strength gains. Aim for 4 to 6 ounces per serving and eat wild-caught salmon at least 3 times per week, ideally on non-consecutive days to maintain stable omega-3 levels in your muscles. Many of the strongest elderly individuals in Alaska and the Pacific Northwest eat salmon almost daily during peak season, often smoking or canning it for year-round use. Some even enjoy salmon for breakfast alongside eggs, the ultimate muscle-building combination. And the results? Truly life-changing. Studies show dramatic increases in muscle mass, improved balance, faster walking speed, reduced inflammation, and even better brain-to-muscle coordination. After just 12 weeks of regular consumption, seniors often report their legs feeling decades younger, allowing them to return to activities they thought were gone forever: hiking, dancing, gardening, even playing on the floor with grandchildren. The path to extraordinarily strong legs well into your 90s doesn't start in a gym or a pharmacy. It starts right in your kitchen. With these 5 extraordinary foods working together to rebuild, protect, and restore your muscles at any age. Start incorporating these foods gradually, beginning with just 1 or 2 and building up to include all 5 in your weekly routine. And remember that consistency is far more important than perfection. Your legs have carried you through decades of life. And with these scientifically proven foods, they'll continue carrying you strongly through many more adventures to come. If this video opened your eyes to the power of food for maintaining strength as you age, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our science-backed health content. Thanks for watching.